Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, September 27th, and this is my full top-down analysis for the US dollar yen. And we are going to be on the monthly time frame, working our way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I've been saying for a long time that the wave C target is likely to 78% because that's 100% Fibonacci extension of A projected off of B. The second target would be possibly a wave 3, which would put us down to the 161, 178. Now we are getting close to breaking structure on the sort of time frames to the upside. If we do end up breaking structure to the upside on sort of time frames, then this ABC is likely already over. It's likely already made 1, 2, 3 waves down to a fib level, and it's likely just going to continue back up to these previous highs. Let me take it down to the weekly time frame so I can show you what I mean. So on the weekly time frame, it still has not been able to break structure up yet. If it does break this structure, then that's going to pretty much prove to me that this is a wave C and that it's not going to go down to the 78%. And this is already a 1, 2, 3 wave pullback, 61% fib bounce, and just continuation of the uptrend. We don't have that break of structure yet, so we can't say that is what's going on. This definitely still could end up going down very, very easily. So going down to the daily time frame. Now, this is a very, 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 very overlapping pattern on the US dollar yen. I was thinking that the end of the correction was right here, and this was like a 1, and this was like a WXYXZ of 2, and eventually it was going to go down and make a big old wave 3. Definitely still looking at that as a likely scenario, but if it goes up and keeps going up, and if it breaks this high right here, that pretty much tells me that this low over here is a wave C and that the weekly and monthly is in a uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I have been recommending longs all week long because we are clearly in an uptrend. I think that this could possibly, make a double top at a fib level and break structure, which would cause me to stop looking for longs and start recommending shorts. But because of my higher time frame analysis, if it doesn't break structure, but it keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, that means that we would never be looking for shorts primarily, but instead we would just keep on looking for longs. And if it just keeps on continuing the uptrend, that's definitely not going to create any issues for us unless we're trying to pick tops and bottoms, which that is usually how most retail traders lose a lot of money. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely am still recommending longs in an uptrend. Got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move up. If we get a break to the upside at any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, then I definitely would take it as a long. There's no reason yet to say that the 4 hour daily time frame move to the upside is over. Like I said, on the 4 hour, if we get a double top and a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, then at that point I would definitely stop recommending longs and I would start recommending shorts, but we do not have that yet. So for me, I am definitely still looking at anything I see to the downside as likely just a pullback within the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.